Hello everyone, I'm Ariana from Wuhan Cosmic Construction Equipment Company. Today I'm taking you up close to our star product, the SWE60F Intelligent Excavator. It's not just a powerhouse on the job site, but a perfect blend of technology and performance. With a total weight of 6 tons and a bucket capacity of 0.3 cubic meters, it's suitable for a variety of working conditions. Check out this cab. The interior is fully upgraded with a comfortable seat and ample standing space, making long hours of operation much less tiring. At its heart is a China State 3 compliant Yanmar engine with a displacement of 3.04 liters, rated at 35.9 kW, optimized for low-speed operation. It delivers higher efficiency and lower fuel consumption. Whether leveling ground or digging, power is always abundant. Its working range is impressive, maximum digging height of 5.7 meters, maximum digging depth of 3.7 meters, bucket digging force of 47 kN and arm digging force of 31 kN. Whether digging deep or working at height, it handles it with ease. The exterior features a family-style design with streamlined contours and optimized structure for easier maintenance. With a track shoe width of 4 meters and a track length of 2.6 meters, it adapts well to various complex terrains. Its compact size and small turning radius make it highly maneuverable on site. The SWE60F Excavator is not only powerful in performance but also equipped with an intelligent control system, making it a reliable partner for modern construction. If you are interested, feel free to contact us. Thank you. See you next time.